please, PRRM President Mr. Conrado Navarro.
When I first learned that PRRM was chosen to be this year's awardee of this Volunteer Lifetime Achievement Award, I was truly elated. I was truly elated not only because this is a most prestigious award that is coveted by many volunteer organizations, but also because it is the very first award that PRRM has received under my presidency, which started only last June. The market vendors have interpreted when a man. Literally, good hand. But as you know, what it means is that if you have buena mano, it heralds a good business day. And I hope this award will be buena mano for PRRM, and that it will be followed by many more in the years to come. I have to accept this award in behalf of PRRM and thank the Philippine National Volunteer Service Coordinating Agency for choosing us to receive it this year. I accept this award in the name of our thousands of partner farmers, farm workers, fishers, women leaders, youth cadres, IT leaders, and chapter members all over the country who on a daily basis volunteer their time, their talents, and sometimes even their treasures in order to help bring about the sustainable development of their communities and of the nation. I also accept this award in behalf of our Board of Trustees under the leadership of our Chairman, former Senator Vicberto Bobby Tañada, and of our hardworking and dedicated staff, some of whom are here with us this afternoon. And in accepting this award, I hereby pledge that the entire PRRM family will continue to live up to the highest ideals of volunteerism that this award represents. I accepted the award in behalf of the PRRM family. I now wish to dedicate an offering to the acknowledged mother of this family, our first longest-serving and most illustrious volunteer, who started serving PRRM on day one, when she started as the volunteer assistant of her great father, the late Conrado Benitez, when he founded PRRM 55 years ago, on July 17, 1952, and has never stopped serving since then, even as she has now come to the tender age of 93 years. Last year's recipient of this very same award, the Volunteer Lifetime Achievement Award, in recognition of her lifelong service to this nation and to our people. The lady who once told us that she has managed to stay young at heart and in spirit because of her volunteer work in PRRM and other organizations. Our paragon, our inspiration, our indefatigable and indestructible Chairman Emeritus, and the beloved Tita Helen of everybody else, the Honorable Senator Helen Jose Benitez. Thank you very much, Tita Helen, because truly you're the one who has inspired all of us in PRRM to do what we're now doing, and for which we have received this very distinguished award. And to our fellow awardees, received our heartfelt congratulations. You are sterling examples that we in PRRM will follow. We are humbled by your own examples. Even as PRRM is the oldest rural development organization, we realize that there are many, many more things that we can learn. And we hope that by receiving this award, we will be goaded to learn more. Maraming salamat po. Magandang hapon.